party up a notch with crispy sliced pepperoni, Italian seasoning, and place it all in a toasted garlic bread sub roll. Order online or on the app to have your subs ready for pickup or delivery. Only at Firehouse Subs. Limited time offer. Prices may vary for delivery. Participating locations.
Hey, it's Rash. Are you ready to save some money? I know. That's something you hear.
Continue on Bayou Road for half a mile.
Money on fuel. Man, gas costs so much.
Heading back on the island.
To find ways to save money, download the Get Upside app. It's available in the App Store and Google Play. Now, this is the app that saves.
Gotta slow down for a squirrel.
money. So when you're using the Get Upside app,
Anyway,
use my promo code ROCKET. And that's going to save you up to 50 cents per gallon on your first.
The water has gone up
and up to 25
over the road about
every time you fill
probably about a foot out here. I'm gonna see if I notice any damages.
And I've been using this thing. It's saving me.
It's supposed to be down now, but we'll see what the mud looks like when we get there.
Get Outside account, and you cash out at any time. Get Outside. It's the app that saves you money on gas. And when you use my promo,
Yeah, it's still a little high, but
save up to 50 cents per gallon on your first fill up, and up to 25
find out about 2 seconds
every
here.
time you fill up after that. It's the Get Outside app. Use promo code ROCKET.
Do you want low prices on wine shipped right to your door? TotalWine.com, America's largest independent.
Got people parking their stuff out on high grounds out here,
Explore our wondrous selection
anticipating a
of
flood.
wines and find something you'll love at amazingly low prices. And shipping fees are waived when you place an order of $99 or more on select wines.
Looking pretty dry to me, though.
Great wines shipped right to your door when you order from TotalWine.com. Shipping available on wine only. Exclusions and limitations apply.
Starting June 14th, get a free Febreze plug-in air freshener when you recycle your old plug-in.
Squirrels are out looking for their floating nuts.
Just bring in your old plug-in air fresheners to Walmart. Drop them in the Febreze recycling bin near the air
Anyway, how's everybody doing out there?
QR code on the bin to get a coupon for a free Febreze.
In 600 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Chip technology. So you
I'm
can
just
enjoy
glad to
the
see
first
that
day
nothing got washed
for
away.
days.
Thank God.
This deal ends July 12th, so recycle your old plug-ins now. Only at Walmart.
Can't even tell nothing.
From first call to aftercare, Ascension Funeral Home and Crematory is dedicated to
Anyway, y'all have a good day.
caring service to you and your family.
And
If you
I will
experience
holler at
loss
you guys
or are
later.
considering pre-arrangements, give us a call and let our friendly staff know.
Visit AscensionFuneralGroup.com.
If you've developed health issues that limit your ability to work, it may be time
Your destination is on the right.
security disability.